Hey guys, I've been dealing with a bunch of random things, getting estimates, dealing with contractors, so I haven't filmed a whole bunch past couple days, but I knew I needed to break out the camera for this because today is the day I'm going to go up for the first time into the 1960s house attic. Now, I don't know what I'm going to find up there, who I'm going to find up there, but I'm going to bring you guys along for the ride, so let's see how this goes. Put my gloves on, camera up at some point. Oh my lord. What do we have here? Okay, we have an antenna. I guess I might as well just come up all the way. Okay. We have an old folding lawn chair. We have a wooden crate. Guys, look at this crate. Pretty cool. This chair, straight out of the 60s. Let's see. It says 89 on it. Could be a date, could be something else. Be careful where we walk. Little snow shovel. Flashlight. So guys, oh, that suitcase looks interesting. We got a box, got some old shovels, guys. Looks like a bunch of metal, wood. Okay, alrighty. So yeah, we got the old TV antenna. Just some styrofoam, which I probably will come back. I probably won't toss the styrofoam out. That will make good insulation. I'll come back and lay it evenly across this, fill up as much of this attic as I can with it. Bunch of old stuff from when last time they had the roof change. You can see, like, you know, that's pretty typical, honestly. That means that we had some of our wood change. Not a big deal, you can see. Don't see much water damage, you know. Gonna see a little bit here and there, but nothing too bad. Alright guys, let's check out the suitcase. Enough talking, I know. Oh, okay, you got me something else cool. Old milk crate. Now that is cool. I ain't getting rid of that. I'm keeping that. Oh, it's metal, guys. Handle's broken. The moment of truth. Nothing but a paper from Super Sturdy, the finest of steel storage products. Very nice, very nice. No treasure, no treasure. Sometimes, you know, the adventure is the treasure, so. Totally stoked about them shovels though, and the hoe. A lot of this is the stuff that has to go. Okay, little saucer action. Never hurt anybody. Get rid of that. I think we can get rid of this. Yeah, I don't want to make any assumptions, but I think we can get rid of this. Pretty cool, I must say. Well, I'm gonna get busy throwing some of this stuff down. I'm not gonna go too crazy today. Some metal sheets, pretty cool. Main reason I'm even up here is because I basically got to clear out all that junk, so when we go to rewire the kitchen, we don't have a bunch of obstructions in our way. So see what I can get done. Thanks, guys. Alrighty, we're back up in the attic. day 2. We've actually got a fence going up outside. I'm up here with Brandon, and we're checking out the goods, man. I know yesterday I was kind of quick with it, but pretty much seen everything. We're gonna deal with all these metal trims and just kind of clean the place up a little bit, make use of the dumpster before we get rid of it. So I will show you guys the fence, and we also have someone to come look at the furnace today, so I'll update you with that. Hey guys, we've had a really busy day. Had someone out working on the furnace, and the crew was here installing the privacy fence pretty much all day, which I'm really excited for. I want to show you guys the finished product. This crew knocked it out. They did a great job. About to show it to you right now. So this is the gate where the side door is. We had them bring the fence all the way up to the door so we could utilize that with the dogs. We got a 2-way latch out here. Nice. Everything is built to, even the gate's built on site. The fence is completely built custom to the ground to maintain perfect level up top and accounting for our weird ground that we have. Only thing I would have liked is if the dirt removal was part of it. It wasn't part of, you know, the deal that me and the guy had worked out. So I'm gonna see if I can get 1 or 2 of his workers to come back and get rid of all this dirt. But either way, I'm still happy, really happy about it. I mean, as you can see, the fence is really straight. I don't know if you guys can see on camera. I mean, every pole is straight and every plank is straight also. Goes around here. We shouldn't have to worry about too many weeds over on this side. That's where their garage is. This is somebody's backyard, and I did ask this lady that lives behind us, and she just wants to make sure we can still get to the weeds that would be on coming from our side of the fence, which there's plenty of room for me to get a weed whacker under there. So I'm really happy with that. That was the only kind of question I had. This side is pretty tight to the ground. So yeah, the fence came out really well. You shouldn't run into many issues. We have a second gate on this side. Take you guys out this way. Let you get a full view of the fence too. The dirt wasn't picked up, but I working on getting some of that removed. Shouldn't be an issue. It really was quite a lot of fencing. This yard is pretty big. If you notice, all the braces are straight. And here's the second gate, just a simple latch. You can run a lock on it. I'm very happy with the way it turned out. I'm sure I'll see some issues with it once I'm using it and, you know, just getting used to it, but for now it's good. I paid the guy, we're all set there. So you'll probably see some attic stuff in this video, and next thing is basically just cleaning up, getting ready for the process of starting to install some new fixtures, fit and finish in this place. Before you know it, we'll be having some drywall going up. So I'll see you guys.